If you love simplicity, speed, and results, you need to watch this video because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch a dropshipping store, a local delivery store, sell services or event tickets, host a local business website or sales funnel, build an affiliate website, or do many things more without ever paying a recurring fees or extra payment processing fees. Hi, my name is Peter Gurdy. I'm the CEO of Dashnix, where it's our mission to simplify technology and processes so that you can focus on what's most important for your business today, and that is sales, customers, and growth. You see, just like when I started my business online over a decade ago, most business owners and entrepreneurs don't know what's required to run it efficiently. So they make the same critical mistake that I made, which is they waste a lot of time and resources on website and store configurations, setup, and design. I wasted years on this. I continually try to improve my website by purchasing different themes, plugins, applications, and by trying to make incremental changes that at the end of the day contributed very little to my results. But now, after a decade online and over 100,000 copies of my product sold, if there is one thing that I learned, and that is the most important lesson that I can share with anyone, it's this: your business thrives when you sell products and services and someone buys them. Everything else is secondary. And when you accept this truth, then you quickly realize that so-called success of your business online comes down to your ability to turn an idea to a sellable product or service as quickly as humanly possible. Simplicity and speed is what gets results today. Those who embrace it, those get results. Others just watch from the side. So if you love simplicity, speed, and results, and you want to move fast and turn more of your ideas to sellable products and services online, then we have a solution for you. We have developed a technology that allows you to embrace this mantra of simplicity, speed, and results and execute that in real life. That technology is called Dashnix PowerTech. With Dashnix PowerTech, you are getting access to the web-based platform that allows you to build and host any kind of online website or store and turn more of your ideas into a sellable product or services. The platform is designed with simplicity, speed, and results in mind, so there is no time wasting on complicated configurations, extra plugins, or applications. Everything is built in and simple as humanly possible. We have simplified everything so that you can build a perfect online store or website faster than you ever thought possible. Every single feature, every single element is designed with results in mind. We have taken advantage of the cutting-edge cloud technology to provide the fastest loading speeds and other elements that are essential in today's world so that your business can thrive and get results as quickly as possible. Now, below this video, you are going to find more information about the Dashnix PowerTech and what you can do with it. But in short, I want to say that if you are looking to build a dropshipping store, a local delivery store, if you want to sell event tickets or services, if you want to host a local business website, sales funnel, affiliate website, or something in between, you can do all that on Dashnix PowerTech. Below, you also are going to find a full demonstration video with more in-depth look at some of the power features that you are going to find inside of the Dashnix PowerTech platform. But remember that regardless of what's your idea, regardless of what you want to build, if you are all about simplicity, speed, and results, we can help you to do that more efficiently and faster than you thought possible. And the best thing is, We don't expect you to ever pay for hosting again. We don't expect you to pay a recurring fee, and we don't expect you to pay extra order processing fees from your store. So regardless whether you are selling dropshipping products, print-on-demand products, your local store products, it doesn't matter. We will not charge extra fees for that. So make sure you check all the information below, learn more about Dashnix's PowerTech Lifetime Special, and claim one of the licenses right now. This is a limited time special. It won't be available for long, so don't wait. Make sure you check all the information below and sign up right now. You'll be glad you did.